Hi, I'm John and this is John Outdoors. Thank you for clicking on my video. Yeah, as you guessed it, sleeping in the setting my bed up a little bit. I'm just gonna get my sleeping bag out and cook a bit of food. It's been a while. It's a lovely day, but I'll tell you a little bit of that later on in the video. Welcome back. It's 6:30. It's freezing. It's quite warm earlier, but it was nice to be back out. It's been a while. The problem was just before Christmas, and my dad passed away, and that's why I didn't come out. I haven't been out, just thinking about things and stuff. And then after Christmas, then I had that accident with my hand, then 3 tendons, 1 artery and 1 nerve, so couldn't do nothing anyway. So but yeah, it's just been really shitty, but I'm out now. And yeah, sadly my dad passed away. And things happen, you know. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I'm doing some food. I started getting cooking. It's getting dark now, and I've also treated myself to one of these. It's new, I haven't used it yet. It's a 1 Tigris fire stove box thing. So I'm gonna set this up and get some food on. Oh, it's absolutely freezing. Well, that's the box anyway, the 1 Tigris. Get in there. Let's take this out first. Actually, leave that. Oh, let's get this in there. Phew. Ready? Yes. Bit of heat. Get some twigs in here now. Oh, yes, lovely. Ooh. Now, as you can see, got the wood prepped up. Sorted. It's absolutely freezing. Just let that warm up now. Heat up. Let that cook a little bit and I'll bring you back. Yes. Get in there, son. Well, finally done my food. Nothing special. Well, food's done. 2 burgers, mozzarella, olives, bit of salad. Can't wait to get stuck in. Lush. 2 slices of cheese. Lovely. Bring you back in a bit. Well, back in the woods. It's absolutely pitch black. No, put that down. It's bloody freezing. Absolutely freezing. Well, food was amazing. Got a little fire going on. Got my lantern on, and it's been good. It's about time. Yeah, sadly, I told you earlier about my father and my hand, but getting back out here now. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the morning for the coffee. I ain't gonna make for breakfast, so I'll just have a nice warm cup of coffee and then make my way home. My nose is running. I got some tissue, but it's too cold to go out and go in my bag and get it. And yeah, see you in the morning. Good night. Oh, good morning. 6 o'clock. It's absolutely freezing. Just sleep with my gloves on, man. Oh, nice though. Yeah, like I'm not gonna make no breakfast. Just make a nice cup of coffee, pack up, go home. See you in a minute. Bloody won't turn off because of my gloves. Bloody freezing. Actually, I need to put that there like that. Get some more in. My nose is running, man. And don't forget, please take your rubbish home, guys. Put that in the bin now. Cheers, guys. Well, I made my coffee. What a night. Lovely, enjoyed it. And, it's cold. Should have put my hot tent out. I haven't done a video on a hot tent yet with the stove. I've got more videos coming up. It's just been a while, and sadly, saying it again, my dad passed away, so damaged my hand. So back in action now. So yeah, I will be posting up more videos. So thanks for clicking on my video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Well, I wasn't lying. It's cold.